Hey everyone, I'm Becky.
And I'm Vanessa.
Welcome to 5 Minute Fridays.
In 5 easy steps, create your very own head-turning flower arrangement. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Having fresh flowers in the home adds color, style, and has even been proven to increase your mood.
But let's be honest, after just a few days, the flowers, and especially the water, can get murky and gross.
Step 1. Choose your base. You can line it, one option, with foil and tuck it in there. Or if you have a Tupperware that fits in your container, that works as well. Step 2. Fill a dish or bucket with water. Step 3. Floral foam. The secret behind beautiful floral arrangements. There are 2 different kinds of foam, and Becky and I learned this the hard way the first time we did this together. There is the foam for fake or artificial flowers, and there is the foam for wet flowers.
So the first time we did this, we were trying to submerge this foam in the water.
Go ahead.
And I was like, it's
Becky,
not.
I was
like, do we need to put a weight on top of it?
She kept pushing
not,
it. I said, it's gonna sink.
Yeah.
Patience,
Yeah.
patience.
So it kept popping up, and it wasn't absorbing the water. Well, lo and behold, we had the wrong foam.
Place it in there, and as the water absorbs,
It will start to sink.
it sinks down.
Look at that. And we could just flip it.
I don't think you're supposed to flip it. Oh. Just let it absorb. You're like my Mr. Miyagi for life. And I'm like your Mr. Miyagi for arts and crafts.
And floral arrangements.
Wax on. Wax off. Step 4. Cut the foam to fit the base. Is that a good ooh? Ooh. It's like
A little chills, nails on the chalkboard.
nails on the chalkboard. Step 5. Time to cut and arrange your flowers. Now, depending on what you're creating this piece for, you can cut your flowers to the height that you want. Being that this is going to be on a table, a dining room table, we're gonna make it a little lower. That way you're not doing that while
Ducking
you're
the flower arrangement to hold
Right, let's do
conversation.
it. When you cut the flower, you want to cut on an angle. Why?
Because the water absorbs better that way.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
She's so smart.
I honestly don't know how I know that. I just do.
It also sticks into the foam easier and stays right in place wherever you put it.
I don't get it. Like, where did you learn how to do this?
This I picked up from my mother,
Oh.
who is basically the Croatian Martha Stewart. Wait, why are you laughing?
Because
You love it.
I love it. I feel like I'm in like high school home ec. Oh, sorry.
You don't feel like you're on HGTV?
That too.
When you have a bouquet of flowers in a vase or vase, is that right?
Yeah.
You have to change the water out every couple days. With the foam, maybe every couple days, once a week, you just kind of check it, see if it's still wet. If not, just add a little bit more water to it. Okay, Becky, show me your best Vanna.
And there it is, our DIY flower
Look at
arrangement.
that.
It's amazing. These centerpieces are great for your home or an event, a wedding shower, a baby shower. You don't need to be a professional to create a simple, beautiful flower arrangement. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, 5 Minute Fridays, no politics, just positive.
Time to live your best life.
One Friday at a time.
This magic, wait, ready? Go.
This magic green box. Black or box?
Black?
Black.
Black.
Good.
Oh, I said box.
This magic green block.
Also known as floral foam.